Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another exciting video. In this video we will learn how to do molecular docking by using AutoDock Vina. If we compare molecular docking by AutoDock Vina and MOE, then we will analyze this that docking results given by AutoDock Vina are more favorable as compared to given by MOE. MOE will show less binding energy while AutoDock Vina show more binding energies. Basically we are doing molecular docking to check how much our prepared ligand is showing interaction with the protein. More the binding affinity of ligand with protein, that compound is more favorable, and that is very good indicator that it is helpful to cure disease and helpful in vitro, give good results in vitro. So we will start our this video. In this video I will tell you some steps that should you have to follow in molecular docking when you are working on AutoDock Vina. So first of all you have to open protein data bank. Before protein data bank you have to download your softwares from online. These software easily you download from Google, are easily available. No need to purchase any software. So let's start. Step 1 is first of all you have to download your protein from protein data bank. Okay, and you download this in the form of PDB format. Next you have to draw the structure of your ligand inhibitor, your drug in ChemDraw. After draw this structure you have to copy this structure and paste in Chem3D. After pasting in Chem3D you have to keep its energy minimization and save it in the form of PDB format on desktop. Next is cleaning of your protein that you have downloaded from protein data bank. For this you have to open your protein in Discovery Studio, and by opening in Discovery Studio, next you have to remove your water molecule from this protein and the ligand that is already attached to this protein. Sometimes water molecules are present in protein and also ligand is present when we download from protein data bank. When you do all this task, then you have to save this file in PDB format on desktop. Next what you have to do is open AutoDock Vina that you have downloaded from MGL Tools. MGL Tools give you a app that is AutoDock Tools. You have to open AutoDock Tools. In this you have to open the protein that you have saved from Discovery Studio, in which no water molecule and ligand is present. Next you have to add two charges to this protein and add only polar hydrogens to this protein. After this you have to open grid box and save a file of protein in the form of pdbqt. Next is after opening of a grid box you have to adjust your grid box XYZ dimension at 26, that is standard. And after this you have to open the ligand in this file. For this you go to ligand and then input, open your ligand that you have saved on desktop, that you draw in your Chem3D. Okay, after this you have to select torsion tree and set the number of torsion, and after this you save this file in the form of pdbqt form on desktop. After saving this file you have to open Vina and open conf.txt file. I will provide this file to you. You open this file, and on the other hand you also open the grid file that you previously saved Okay, next what you have to do is from grid file you have to copy the xyz dimension and copy and paste these dimensions in conf.txt file. When you paste this dimension in conf.txt file, and then you have to save this. After this you have to open command prompt and give the commands that I also provide you in description box, and also I provide this provide detail how to run command prompt in another video. When you run command prompt, then a file will be saved, that is output file. You have to rename this file. You must rename this file. If you do not rename it, then the further process will not be done. After saving this, and last step is analysis, and for analysis you have to simply open the pymol and open protein that you have saved in the form of pdbqt. At this stage you have saved a protein. Okay, open this protein. Now next you have to open out file that you take from vina folder. Okay, by this this protein and output file is combined, and you have to save this file in the form of pdb format. And now the pdb format file will be opened in discovery studio. Open this in discovery studio, and further analysis you can done on this file. For this you will simply what to do is check 2D interactions, and on the those poses that are showing more favorable interaction, you favor that file, and save its 2D image and 3D image. Okay, that was all about the step that you have to follow in molecular docking. If you have any question, please ask in comment box, and please subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.